Hello and welcome back, guys. Today we are going to see a new question, and this question was asked in the TCS. One thing I would like to tell you that this question is something new and we haven't seen this question before. So let's see what is this question. So this question was in descriptive format. I will tell you what was the question. There was a boy who was standing in a position. This is a position where boy was standing initially. So what he did is he started walking 5 meters towards right, and after he reached 5 meters here, then he turned to left side and walked for again 6 meters. So here he has increased the distance by 1 meter, and after this point again what he did that he turned to left and started walking towards left up to 7 meters, and he reached this position, and after this position again he turned left and walked for 8 meters. So basically what he was doing that for every turn he was walking 1 meter more than the previous one. So he was walking somewhat in this pattern. So what was the question? The question is that first let me name it, number it, all this. What was the main motto of our question? We have to find the horizontal distance between the starting point and the point where he is currently now. For example, if a boy has started from O and he have reached to point E, then we have to find the horizontal distance between O and E. We have to find the distance between this point, which is we have to find this distance over here. So let's see how we are going to find this distance. So first we have declared 3 variables. I will tell you what are the variables. This is a variable A and it will contain the distance of every point, and this is the B, which is our final array. This will contain the final distance between the particular point and the point of origin, and for simplicity we have taken n equals to 10, where n is the number of turns that the boy have taken. This for loop is for inserting elements into the array I. This will contain the distance of every point. So I will show you what is the array A and what is the array B here. Let me make an array first. So we have created the array. This is array A and this is array B. Let's see what are the element inside it. So first we have started from the origin and the man has reached to A. So the distance he have traveled is 5 meter. So we will gonna write here 5, and again now since he have moved from A to B, the distance will be one more, which is 6. And from B to C the distance is 7. Like that, for every movement he have increased the distance by 1 meter. So we are going to put same here. Next thing is that what will be the value which will come in this array, which is the final array B. So let's see how the element will gonna get into this array. So for this I have used J and K. This J and K you can consider as a flag, and this is the for loop which will help to insert element into the array B. And what we have did is that we have taken 3 if-else statement. This is one statement, second, third. So we have a 3 condition for which to insert the element into B array. So what does first condition says? Since we have initialized I equals to 1, then we are at position 6, and now let's look at the first condition, which is A of I mod 2 not equal to 0 and J equal to 0. Since we have J equal to 0 and A of I mod 2 not equal to 0, where we are at here. So this condition is false. Since this condition gets false, now we come to next condition, which is A of I mod 2 equal to 0, and this condition is true. And what we are doing is that we are adding the element into B, and which element we are adding the previous element of array A into array B. So the previous element with this element 5 will be entered into array B. So we are going to add here 5. Okay, now we have inserted the element 5 here. Now let's see what will come in the second element. After that, what we are doing is that we are putting the value of for the next element. We are just simply copying the previous element into the array B. So this value will come here as a 5. Why we are doing is that because suppose you are at position A, so distance between OA equals to 5, and if you move to position B, then same distance, which is the distance between OB, will be 5 also. So we have just copied both distance together. Since we are talking about only the horizontal distance, when you come to see, then distance will be something else, which is here. So for that, for this element, what we have did is that we have used this condition, and in this condition what we are basically doing is we are subtracting a of I minus a of I minus 2 and adding into the b. What is this? 7 minus 5, which is equals to 2. So we are adding element 2 over here. Now we come out of the condition, and here by this we copied the value of 2 here also. Moving forward, when I reaches to 8, what we are going to do is that we are simply copying the a of I minus a of I value here, a of I minus 1, which is 7. So 7 will be copied here. Now talk about our next condition, for which we have used this value. What does it does is that it subtract a of I minus a of I minus 4. Suppose we are at 9, then 9 minus 4 value, which is 5, equals to 4. So our next element will be 4. So subsequently we will get our value. By doing this, we will get our array, and this is our final array. And as per the question, where you want a position, you can simply print that position. I will show you. So this is the program, and let me run this. So you can see that we have printed our array B, and what user want, you can print the value for particular position. For example, if user want to print the position 5, so you can directly print a b of 5 here. No need to go for a loop, you can directly use this. So suppose the user have asked to print for a particular value 5th position, then you can do like this, and you will get the position at 5th. 5th position means the distance from here 1 2 3 4 5. So distance from E to 5 is 7 here. So by this you can calculate every value. So this was the program, and it was asked in